Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today is March 18th and we are going to discuss about March 19th's possibilities in this video for Bank Nifty and Nifty. So let's start from where we are. This is Bank Nifty's chart, and as discussed in our last weekly special video, okay, so we have this trend line, okay, based on these two. Okay, this is the third time we are very close to this trend line. So we are observing, I'm taking this volume off. Okay, let's discuss about the volume so that we can take this volume off now. So on this particular day, that is the previous working day, today is March 18th, and this is the last working day of the last week. Here we have a volume which is greater than the last 2 days, but the candle itself is not so clear. Here it was a doji candle, and according to our weekly analysis video on a weekly chart, we are little negative on the Bank Nifty and Nifty. And today, as you can see, this is the price action of the Bank Nifty today, right? Here we have a low volume, so there is nothing significant to discuss about. The volumes chart here. So by knowing that, let's switch off that, and now you can see that if we see a greater close here, a close like that, by covering this high, then we could have been a little positive into the market today. But based on today's price action, if I just zoom in and show you that in a greater detail, okay, there is nothing wrong in seeing these candles like this. As you can see, you see, that's the close of your last working day from the last week, and this is the close of the Bank Nifty today, okay, which is not that great. And also, if you notice, see, the high is lower and the low is also lower, and most of the candle's body today is not a real body itself. In fact, it's the wick portion, okay, it's the rejection portion which was there on a greater detail, and we haven't seen any positive confirmation yet. Because see, if I try to draw this, to readjust this trend line like this, so that it almost kind of touches this, so that we can see this as little positive sign. But that's not the way to look at it. You need to see a greater a domination close, and we haven't seen a volume also, so you cannot consider that. So, and we are very close to this swing region here. So let the Bank Nifty fall down to this level and see a greater possibility of taking support there. If not, if you are seeing a gap up opening tomorrow, and if you see a good sign in the beginning, then you should be able to see some momentum uh, from that point. But it is going to be a healthier move towards the upper side if it reaches this level and forms a good a reversal sign there, and from there we can expect Bank Nifty to move towards the upper side. And let's just go one time frame lower. And if you notice here, yeah, if you notice here, you see, even here, you have this is a 4 hours chart of Bank Nifty. As you can see, the price action, okay, it has started to rise and then came back to same level almost, and then broke this high, and then it started taking reaction and broke this level. And if you notice, it's not there yet, it's not breaking this level yet to call this as a downtrend. Okay, it has started rising slowly, but we are yet to see a good a pattern there. So if you notice, here in this case, okay, this is a 4 hours chart, okay, for your reference. And here, if you notice, this is a strong bullish engulfing candle here. This is a strong bullish engulfing candle here. So you need to see some greater candlestick formations there, so that we can take a proper reaction action into the market. So this candle itself, okay, this candle itself that has formed today is close to hammer. I'll tell you why it is close, why it is not exact hammer. That is because, you see, the upper portion of this candle has got a wick, okay, which is almost equivalent to your real body. But in the case of hammer, you don't want to see a wick that is that high as your real body. Okay, so let's wait to see a little more confirmation. And if you want to see, you can also come down by another time frame, that is to your 1 hour time frame. And here, if you notice, on 1 hour time frame things are little different. Okay, see, first of all, this okay, so this is seen a breakout here on a 1 hour chart. It's a little different. So you see, it's a breakout and also a confirmation candle there, and it has come to retest and again seen a couple of negative candles, and even here you have seen a bearish engulfing signal. But the thing is, the question is whether this is a valid trend line. So to call this as a valid trend line, you need to see 3 point reaction, whereas here you have one and only two. This reaction is really not touching this, so you cannot greatly depend on that. But it's a sign of caution. Okay, so that is how Bank Nifty is looking. And anyways, we are this close. Let's see what's you see. I haven't changed any trend lines. See, these trend lines are drawn and maintained from your daily chart. But if you start to notice, this is the place where exactly it is struggling in today's price action. You see, that's the point. And in fact, this is the first point that's seen some trouble there, and this is towards the end, it has seen some momentum towards the downside. So that is how Bank Nifty is looking. And let's remove all these drawings, and then quickly change our chart to the Nifty. And now here we have the Nifty chart. Let's start from the day. Okay, so here on the Nifty, things are little looking different. Okay, because on a daily time frame, first these two candles put together, we have seen a variation of sorry, a piercing pattern there. Okay, which is a reversal sign. And today you have seen some sort of a bullish candle there, which is better than your Bank Nifty. But if you notice very closely, okay, your close is definitely, that is the previous day close and this is today's close. So your close is high and your high is slightly high, but your low has gone below. Okay, so it has intentions to go below, but it has seen some sort of a support from that point, and it has started to rise. But we cannot say that this is a complete bullish sign. It is decently good enough. So what I recommend is to wait for a candle to form in either Bank Nifty or Nifty, where you see little, higher close and little higher open, so that it has some intention we can believe that it has some intention to go towards the upper side. That's it, guys. There is nothing much to talk based on these patterns. Let's wait for the tomorrow's price action to happen in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, so that we can, if there is anything in detail, we can based on the price action, we can see how that can be taken forward from tomorrow's price action, depending upon what patterns we may see. But as of now, both Bank Nifty and Nifty are in a bit of uh, a confused state. We have not seen any strong candlestick patterns to uh, expect a Bank Nifty or Nifty to see momentum towards the upper side or towards the bottom side. So we have to be extremely careful with tomorrow's first swing highs and lows, and you have to trade accordingly. And remember, you have to pay attention to your risk versus reward ratio as well. That's it, guys. See you in tomorrow's video. Until then, happy trading.